All right, for this assignment, we are going to be using technology to graph the systems of equations. This video is going to be a little bit different. I have both my screens being recorded, uh, just so I can sit down and show you exactly what it looks like to use Desmos when you are graphing your systems of equations. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at our goals. I can graph systems of equations using technology, and I can find the solution to the system of equations using technology. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our first problem. They gave us a problem in slope-intercept form and a problem in standard form. Now I'm going to come over here to Desmos. You just go to desmos.com. This will be the best way for you to do this. If you have a different preference of the way you graph with technology, that's fine, but you'll have access to this at all times. So we're going to open the graphing calculator. And here in our first box, we're just going to type in exactly how it gives it to us. 1 equals 1/3 arrow over x minus 7. Okay, they put it in red this time. Let's go and type in our second one. We get 4x plus 3y equals 3. Okay, and we have our graph. And if you take a look down here, you can click on this button right here where they cross, and this will tell you what your solution is. So in this case, our solution is 4.8, negative 5.4. So 4.8, negative 5.4, and there's the point right there, okay? So, you can go ahead and just type that in. It'll give you the solution when you figure out where it crosses. And that would be the solution to my first problem right here. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at our second example. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete all these. So the first one, we have negative x plus 3y equals 7. And then y equals x minus 3. Looks like it crosses up here at 8.5. So my answer would be 8, 5 on my assignment. Right there. So technology makes it a lot more simple for us. When you do your test, you'll only be able to use this on a certain part of your test because I still want to make sure you can think through it and understand how to graph those equations without using technology. I think it's very valuable to be able to figure out where a coordinate is and what the slope is. It'll help you a lot in your future math. So even though you may be thinking, oh, I'm just going to do it all this way, I will have some like this on your test. However, the majority you will still have to do by hand, or at least find the coordinate and find the slope and graph it that way. But it is nice having this technology as well. Let's take a look at our last one here as an example. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of these, and we're going to type in y equals 2/3 x minus 3 and y minus 4 equals 2/3 2/3 x minus 6. Let's see. Do they cross anywhere? I can keep zooming out and out and out. It looks like they never cross. Well, why would that be? Well, look. 2/3 slope here, 2/3 slope here. So that means there would be no solution. Okay, so I would type in to my answer box on my assignment, I'd type in NS. Okay, oops, didn't mean to delete all that. So there's going to be times where you can't get it. So hopefully that makes sense and you can understand how to use Desmos with it. It looks like there is one more. Let's go ahead and type this in. So we got y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2 and y minus 2 negative 1/3 x. Now notice on this one, it looks like there's only one line. Well, if I click this color right here to hide the color, to hide the line, it'll show me my other line, which is blue. And look, it's the exact same line. So in this case, I would type infinite solutions or IS into my equation, or into my answer box. So once again, reach out if you have any questions. Before we go, let's take a look at our goals. I can graph systems of equations by using technology, and I can find the solutions to systems of equations by using technology. So let me know if you have any questions.